Next you have to do the homework, that is 1 by 6. Same method you have to calculate into decimal forms. Now we are going to see the page number 30. First question. For each of the fraction below, find a fraction with the denominator powers of 10 getting closer and closer to it, and hence write its decimal forms. So the question is coming like this. How it is? Find the fraction with the denominator powers of 10 getting closer and closer to the given fraction. So like that the problem will come. So you have to understand how the question is asking. So whenever it is asking closer and closer, you have to know that this is the method you have to do. The first question 2 by 3. So we'll see how we can do this problem. So 3, again it is the denominator 3, which means you cannot make into 10. Before we have seen if it is 5 means you can multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10. But here we cannot make into 10. So that's why we are using that method. So what I am going to do is same as we did. We are going to multiply 10 here, 10. So that I am writing separately. So 2 into 10, 20. 2 into 10, 20. This is lightly I am writing. You can write with a pencil also here. Multiplying by 10 here. Multiply by 10 up and down. So 2 into 10, it is 20. By this 3 only I am writing. I am not multiplying here. This is separately. 3 I am writing. Into this is separately. That is this 10 I am writing here. And upper what will be? There will be 1. That will be 1 always. If there is nothing is there, you have to put 1 there. So 20 by 3, 1 by 10. So I told you before doing all this, we have to check out what is the answer actually we are getting. So that is 2 by 3. We should know what will be the answer. 2 in the inside means numerator, 3 denominator outside. So we cannot divide this. So what you are doing? Point. Put a 0 here. So 3, how much are 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Again there is 2 remainder. So we cannot divide. Again point already over. So put a 0. Again 6 6 3s are 18. Again the 2 remainder. It is going on like that. So you understood that answer is 0.66666. It is going on. So that you have to keep in mind. You should not write that answer here because we need this method. So now okay. This you keep in mind. 0.66 is the answer. Now 20 by 3 we have to divide. 20 by 3. So 20 is not there. Less than 20 you have 3 6 are 18. So 2 is a remainder. So you got. Now this you have to write here as a mixed fraction. So 2 by 3. This 2 by 3 is equal to quotient 6. Remainder 2 by the divisor 3. So into this 1 by 10. So understood, no? This we are doing this way and making into a mixed fraction. So when I do that 2 by 3, it is 6 plus 2 by 3. No, you have to write it as a plus form into 1 by 10. So that we have to multiply this number with this and with this you have to multiply. Now 2 by 3 is equal to 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. This by 10 is there. Put a plus. 2 ones are 2 by 3 tens are 2 ones are 2, 3 tens are 30. So as you did before previous method, this number I am going to bring here. 2 by 3 minus 6 by 10 is equal to 2 by 30. So that I can say here 2 by 3 and 6 by 10 are closer to each other. So this are approximately equal. So I can say 2 by 3 is approximately equal to 6 by 10. So what will be the answer for 2 by 3? 2 by 3 means this you have to divide. So therefore 2 by 3 is equal to numerator 6 you have 1 0, denominator 1 0. So means 1 count here, count 1 point here. So 0.6 you got. You are getting 0.6. That when you have taken 10, you are getting 0.6. Same way you have to do with 100. You will get 0.66. When you do for 1000, 0.66. So 1000 and all no need. Just 10 and 100 you should do. That is also when it is repeating, no. When you understood it is repeating, there you have to stop. Some problems it will not repeat. Means some other 2-3 numbers after that it may repeat. So that time you have to do all this. 10, 100, 1000 like that you have to do. Now this is enough. 10, 100 also you have to do. One more 100 you have to do. Okay, now we'll see with the 100. when you multiply 100 here, 2 into 100, 200 by 3, separately doing this 100, I am writing separately 1 by 100. And I should know 2 into 100, 200, this by 3 and separately into 1 by 100. So that you have to divide that 200 by 3. This you have to divide in C as a mixed fraction you have to write. So 3 is 20 you take, 3 6 are 18, the remainder 2, put a 0 here, again 3 6 are 18, remainder is 2, so again we cannot do, so stop it there. So answer will be 66 quotient and the remainder 2 divisor 3. So this is the way. Now into 1 by 100. So when I write, you have to write it as a plus. This is all you have to make it shorter steps, okay? All these detailed step is not needed. But for the first time, I am doing all those. 66 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 100. Now this you have to multiply here, this you have to multiply here. So 66 ones are 66 by 100 plus 2 ones are 2, 300s are 300. Now you have to bring this 66 this side. So 2 by 3 minus 66 by 100 is equal to 2 by 300. So that we know that this 2 by 3 and 66 by 100 are near closer to each other. That means it is approximately equal to 66 by 100. That means 2 by 3 is equal to the 66 I have to write here and the 2 0, 1 2 count here and put a 0. So that 0.66 you are getting. So this is this 10 over, now 100 over 0.66. Now you understood that it is continuing, means repeating the same number. So you don't have to do for the 1000. 1000 if you do also you will get the same. But don't waste the time till this much enough. So when you started into 10 you have to start and continue. The next 100 you have to do till here you have to do. Okay. Now the same way you have to write the sentence continuing like this. Continuing like this. We get, continuing like this, we get 2 by 3 is equal to 0.666 etc. Put etc. Okay, dotted line you have to put 0.666 etc. This is the way you have to do it. Now we'll move on to in the same question, third sub question you have 1 by 9. Same way, 1 by 9, you know that 9 cannot be make it into 10, 100 or like that. So that method you have to use, which is closer and closer to 1 by 9 we have to get. So that you know we have to multiply by 10 here, we have to multiply by 10 here. So that 1 into 10, 10 by separately 9, not multiplying, okay, 9 into this separately you have to write this remaining 10 here and 1 will be here. So that this you have to divide and see what you will get. Okay, so otherwise before that you have to see what is the answer you are getting. 0.0 here, so 1 nines are 9, 1 remainder, again 0, 1, 9, again 1, it is going on. So 0.1111 is the answer for this one that you have to keep in mind. So that answer you have to get finally. So now this 10 by 9 you have to do. This is not necessary, just you have to understand what will be the answer we have to get finally. So 10 by 9, when you do 9 ones are 9, 1 is answer. So how to write as a mixed fraction? Quotient 1, remainder 1 by 9. This is the way, into 1 by 10. Now this has a plus you have to write. Plus 1 by 9 into 1 by 10. So this you have to multiply inside. So here 1 by 9, here 1 by 9 equal to this number into this number into this. 1 ones are 1, 1 by 10, 1 ones are 1 by 10 plus 1 ones are 1 by 9 into 10, 90. So that I can write it as a minus way. 1 by 9 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 90. So that I can say these are closer, no? So I can say that 1 by 9 is approximately equal to 1 by 10. That means, what is the answer? 1 by 9 approximately equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10, how can I write? 1 numerator, this I am writing here, 1 0. So 1 point you have to put a 1, put a point, 0.1. 0.1 you will get when you have multiplied with a 10. So same I'm doing with the 100 now. So this step over, no, now continue, you have to continue that. 1 by 9. That is when you do with 100, here all I am showing, so that 100s are 100 by 9 into separately 100, here 1. So that when you divide 100 by 9, ones are 1, 10, again ones are 9, remainder 1. So when you write as a mixed fraction 11 1 by 9 into 1 by 100, so that you can write it as a mixed fraction. 1 by 9 is equal to 11 plus 1 by 9 into 1 by 100, so that when you multiply inside, 11 into 1, 11 by 100 plus 1 into 1, 1, 9 into 100, 900. So you have to put minus and write 1 by 9 minus 11 by 100 is equal to 1 by 900. So you can say this is approximately equal. So 1 by 9 approximately equal to 11 by 100. So that what is the answer? 1 by 9 is equal to this numerator 11 I am putting 2012, put a point 0, so that you understood that number is repeating 1 1. So when you do 4000 also you will get 1 1 1. So it is getting like this. Therefore 1 by 9 is equal to, you will get the answer 0.111 etc. This is the answer. Put etc. points like this. This is the answer for 1 by 9.